I'm Matt from Mibi. We make branded charging cables and we're really good at it. We supply various branded charging cables, lanyard charging cables, 1 meter long branded charging cable, 100% custom shaped charging cables, keychain charging cables, wrist jaw charging cables, LED logo branded charging cables, nylon 3-in-1 and 6-in-1 charging cables, retractable charging cables, bamboo 6-in-1 charging cable set,
Our main products include nylon braided cable, USB data cable, Type-C cable, micro cable, factory direct, fast delivery, competitive price.
your trusted branded charging cable supplier from China.